What's up, amigos? Costa with a hairstyling video for you guys today. I'm gonna show you how do I achieve this natural finish pump hairstyle with some simple steps. Come on, let's do it. So I've washed and conditioned my hair and ready to now dry it and style it. I'm gonna use my hands and a hair dryer and obviously some product, which will be some sea salt spray. I'm gonna dry the hair in the direction I want to achieve my hairstyle. Are you ready for this noise? So I start with the sides, drying it up and back with medium heat, and then I'll do the back and then the front. So ready for some more noise. As you can see, it's starting to get into shape straight away there. Now let's move on to the other side. So the sides are getting into shape, but I'm not going to worry too much. I only want to dry a little bit now, and then I will add some product and dry it again. So it's still quite a bit damp here. Time for some sea salt spray. And I'm quite generous with these, so I can get extra volume. Running my hands through it. By the way, this usually is a quicker process, but for the video's sake, it's taking me a little longer. Okay, run it all through, start filling. Yeah. Should be enough. And now for the finished product, same again. With the hands, keep on. So with this, with the sea salt spray and just the hair dryer and my hands, I achieve this natural finish, and it's got a nice bounce. You can run your hands through it. It's still a bit damp. The thing I like about finishing the hairstyle with no heavy products is I can actually run my hand through it. If it's a bit windy, the hair bounces and maybe creates a nicer shape. It just looks super natural. And voila, this is how I style my hair at the moment. Thanks, guys.
All right, guys, stop. Before you watch our next video, let me tell you, our sea salt spray. This product is amazing for your hair. It gives movable texture. It's like a dry shampoo, so if you go in between days of washing your hair, it'll help your hair extend a little bit longer, and it smells Absolutely amazing. Find it over at beardbrand.com.